Okay, we're gonna go experiment, and since we've been building a lot of titaniums, that's it. So that's engineer Mir. We have waiting for Ali to drop by because she's gonna be testing a custom-made titanium. Let's see. Oh, we have a boy. Girl pala. Girl. I thought you were a boy. Because you have like an Adam's apple. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, pwede dito yung girl. Ha? Here we go. We're gonna make a U-turn. Well, not really a U-turn. We're talking about, okay? Follow me. No cars at the back. No cars at the back. Okay, it's for a newbie. That's a 31 average speed. Okay, anything that we do now is for free, okay? I'm gonna start time trial. I wanna see you puke, okay? I wanna see suka. Come on, make suka now. Good, come on. Come on! 200 meters to go. There's after that, you stay with me. Christian, you stay, okay? First day, so you've done the ride. We're gonna test this one now. Objective is for you to do ODAX, 200 kilometers, 400 kilometers, everything else, okay? And maybe triathlon, right?
Yes.
Maybe triathlon.
Definitely.
Okay. Let's do that, okay? So can you hop in? So we're gonna fix your alignment. Okay, good. So this is the before. There's no wrong, no right, okay? Because the future is bright. Okay. We have to do some video documentation so we can see your ergonomics, your biomechanics. I'm going to discuss to you what's wrong with your alignment. Okay, that's a huge discrepancy. Okay. Whew! Just keep on going. Just focus. But do you feel it? So these are the muscles that don't work. Okay? We're gonna make them work. Ha? Parang ano na yung balakang, no? Sakit. And that was not even 8 minutes. Okay? So I'm not gonna show you your video. We're gonna do the before and after. But the good news is we can improve you quadruple times. Today's real talk. Real talk is all about the difference between made-to-measure bike and stock bike. So the difference is stock bikes are those that you can purchase direct from the shop, based on your height, based on what the chart would tell you. A made-to-measure bike, on the other hand, is something that's totally made for you. So now we want to discuss who would benefit on a made-to-measure bike. Well, not everyone needs a made-to-measure bike, but for those people who've been frustrated about their riding, who've had chronic stress, who've had chronic neck pain, numb fingers, lower back pain, typical issues that we normally try to solve when we have bike fitting sessions. If you always have this with whatever bike you purchase, perhaps you would benefit on a made-to-measure bike. So a made-to-measure bike usually takes a while because it's going to take your measurements. It will be customized based on specification of your physiology. So today, to give you a demonstration how a made-to-measure bike benefits most of us, especially Asians, because you have got to remember, most of the bikes available in the market right now come from a mold. Mold meaning that you can only choose between small, medium, large, extra large, or sometimes extra small. For most it works, but for others it does not work. Today we're going to be building a bike for Ali. Ali was a recent client who just had bike fitting, and her choice of bike was a Giant based on the height chart. What do I mean about height charts? When you go to a bike shop and you want to buy a bike, normally they're gonna ask you what's your height, and then based on your height, they will provide you the sizing. So today, we bike fitted her. You saw how she biked. Now we're gonna set up a bike for her, a titanium bike, and let's see if it measures her. Okay. Okay. So we're going up. Mia is setting up the bike, and let's see how everything's panning out. Okay. Can I introduce you to our foreigner? That's Tito Patrick, the resident foreigner. The other foreigner from Africa, Brownie. That's Brownie. This is Whitey. Okay. And no. That used to be white, but because of chlorine, yeah, naging brown na. So what do you call this? Mier is setting up this bike for bike fitting later. It looks beautiful already. So we will be demonstrating how a properly measured bike will transform Patrick and I to be superstars. Okay. So just in case, boys, you need parts, you go to Papa Chupa. Sorry. Force of habit. Shit. No. Papa Chulos. Okay. If you need parts, contact this guy. Unmistakable. Very cute. Yeah, huh? Okay. Welcome to our bat cave. You ready for your bike fit?
Of course.
Let's try if you can fit on a custom-made titanium bike, made to measure, measured to your hotness. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Look, show the Ali's new ball shoes. Let's see if she would fit in a bike that would theoretically fit her. Okay, hop in. So this is a custom-made Walser titanium bike. Let's just see if she can balance herself. Okay, coach. Yun yung mga pwestong mga perfect. You ready, Direk?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Come on, Ali.
Okay, this is Coach Zaldi. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is pipedal ka lang.
Chat up. Done. Okay, bye. Oh man, you look gorgeous. Holy crap, Azoli. Wait. Okay, move forward a little bit on the saddle. Man, that's your fit. Absolute perfect. Now go to the top of the hoods. Top of the hoods. Yon. OMG. Lower. Oh my God. Holy crap, Azoli, Ali. You look totally different. And this is the magic of custom made. So if you remember Ali, many months ago, how she looked like? She looked like that. Now, okay, so this is what you call the perfect fit. This is the frontal area, what the wind would see. That is perfect, Ali. Super perfect. Okay. Just keep that going. Now, on the same position, on the same position, don't move. On the same position, don't move your... Yan! Oh, that was magical. Hey, what do you think, brother?
Superb. Ang ganda ng form niya, promise.
Perfect, right?
Yeah, perfect. Ganda.
Beautiful, man.
Ganda mo.
Good, just stay there. Perfect, just stay there. Okay, on the same position without moving, just to emphasize your balance, go to the hoods again. Perfect. Holy crap, Zoli. That's the magic of custom made. Made to measure. Now, on the same position, just put your handlebar. Yep. Okay, that's it. Holy crap. Holy crap. Meow, meow. Yeah, meow. Like a pussycat. Okay. Oh man, that's excellent. Excellent, 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 excellent. Okay, and then on that same position, just to show your balance, just do this. Ari, look at me. Just do this to hold on to the hoods. There you go. That's how easy it should be. You notice how balanced you are? So your wrist should always be rested on the hoods. Now go to the arrow position again.
I don't think so. I think we all do what's good. I think everyone in this.
Perfect, right?
Perfect.
Holy macaroni. Okay. Just keep that steady, keep that steady. And then on the same position, go to the hoods again. That's how easy it is. And then on the same position, go to the drops.
If you notice the way he
Perfect.
rides his bike,
Oh
is
my
very
goodness.
compact handlebar,
That
powerful
is
posture.
perfect. Now when you want to recover, slide your hands backward on the drops. Yep, and then straighten your elbow. Slide back.
Just like
Slide
that.
back on the side. That's it. That's how you recover. You notice that you feel like you're a little bit taller, right? Oh, that's good.
5'5" na ako.
Parang dating 5'5", naging 5'5".
But it's good.
Okay. And then on the same position, go to the hoods. Straighten your elbow just to relax. Slide, okay. Slide back your hands backward. No, backward your hands. Yeah? Oh yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Done. Okay. That's all, folks. We should find you a papalicious to get you that, okay?
That's your measurement. That's your measurement.
We gotta get you a papalicious, okay? To get you this frame.
Delicious, delicious, and
Goodness, man. This is beautiful. Now, that's what you call the art of cycling. That's real talk for the day.
Ganda.
Lee, thank you. I'll see you soon. Okay, go home now before you go shopping again. Bye. Bye. See you. Okay, watch out for our next episode. Our next episode would be Jamie, right? Jamie would be next. Ciao. We're done. Done.
Now, lift up, push down.
7.
5, 2, come on.
6.
4, 4,
Start feeling
3,
different, okay?
2,
Okay, stop pedaling.
recover.
Okay.
10, fastest
4,
now. 9,
3,
8,
2,
7,
recover.
4,
7. More. 6.
faster.
Start sprinting, okay?
8, come on, more, push down.
7.
Lift up, more, push.
You wanna cry? Is that
5, 4, 3,
2? Recover. How?
it's upper hill.
Slowly at 60.
Slowly at 60.
Slowly.
Slowly.
60.
60.
Busina.
Busina.
5 muna.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 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 Go, Alisa, go. Go, Alisa, go.
吹き払い輝く夜もあるだろうだのになぜひらめかない父泣くものだ僕は男だ信じてるその日のことをこの手で父を抱きしめる日のことを咲く花もつゆくさもいつかは人と 巡り合い語る夢もあるだ